everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Killer car, guys. 1,500 miles on a complete body-up restoration. And this thing is a little baby doll. Love the color combination. It's finished in Wimbledon white with the grabber blue Shelby style stripes on it. Looks like this thing was about a 4-year body up restoration, completed in 22. Like I say, 1,500 miles on the car. Just a killer car. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. With the 15-inch Shelby style wheels. It's got that Shelby GT350 hood scoop. Great car, great running, a little cammed up 289 that really hits the road good. C4 3-speed automatic transmission. If you see little sprinkles, sorry guys, it just wiped this thing down 3 times. The weather just, we got a break in the rain, but the weather just kind of keeps spitting some little sprinkles at us. You see, put the fog lights in it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. If you want, that's probably the worst little stone peck on it. New bumpers. Again, these are just little droplets. It's just spit and rain. Mother Nature just downpours on us for the next few days. We got a little breaks. We're trying to get this thing shot. Good car, though, guys. Like I say, good sound. Really hits the road good, nice and tight. Love the interior. We'll dig into that. It's got TMI custom seats in it. Love what they do. Their products are just great. You can see it's got the fold down rear seat in it. Pretty car. This is a hard car for me to get, guys. I was explaining to Nathan, I've owned more 71 Billboard Cudas than I have 67 Mustangs. When they came out with those Eleanors and all these custom companies start buying these cars up and turning them into Eleanor clones, I personally believe why these are so hard to find. It's got good sound and Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Car sits good, great stance. And very nicely done. That is a good looking car. This is a great body style right here. Power front disc brakes. It's got the chrome master cylinder and booster on there. Again, good running 289 in here, man. This thing's a little cam to it, nothing crazy. Edelbrock 4-barrel. That's actually an aluminum intake that they painted engine color. Power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got all billet pulleys and brackets. MSD 6AL ignition box with a Pro Billet distributor, and detailed up really nice. C4 3-speed automatic transmission. It's actually got Lokar shifter linkage too. Original VIN is still intact on your inner fender. Pretty car. I've got the bullet side mirrors actually for both sides. I'm not going to put them on until somebody tells me what they want me to do. I put it on one side, two side. I'm not real sure why they didn't put them on. Just probably don't want to put holes in it. But door tags in there. Door seams are clean. I love this. This is all TMI stuff. TMI custom door pads. I do have floor mats on the way for it too, guys. Those are TMI custom bucket seats. It's got that custom center console, full length. That's a stock shifter. Again, Lokar shift linkage. It's got that nice armrest, wood wheel. Again, fold down rear seat. All factory gauge cluster in here, 1,519 miles. All the gauges were working. It's got the Audiosounds radio, AM, FM radio. It's got the custom kick pad speakers. That is again, that's a TMI center console too. New dash pad. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory rear axle. I think he said it's a 350 rear gear. So it's got a little gear to it. The all new wiring harness. Again, these are all the receipts on the restoration of this thing. Very nicely done. New fuel tank, not overdone. It's definitely something you can cruise. TMI just makes great stuff. Well, I think that's a TMI rear seat too. I'll bet you it is. That's a complete TMI interior. Look how nice that center console is. Very nice stuff. Lumpy little cam. That car's coming. It's a cool little car, man. Someone's gonna have a blast with this thing. That is a good looking little car. Let's say Loby cam. Fuel gauge works. High temp gauge showing great oil pressure. I mean, just a good car. Fit and finish is nice. There you go, get that cam Loby. Radio works, roller motor works, wipers are functional. Fog lights, yeah. Hey guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking on the bottom there, the little red tab. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. And here's the rain.